How do you like them chips? It's like that. That's videos on YouTube where people chew really close to the mic. Oh, that's super cool. I'm into that. I'm into that. No? What's that even called? ASMR or something? I don't know. You ready?
Yeah.
Oh my, oh my, oh my.
Welcome.
Episode 48?
Episode 48.
Episode 48. Okay, tonight's episode, we're going to talk about the Mf-01x Rally Beetle.
Yep.
Chris took his UDR out for a rip. My UDR is finished, so Chris is pretty pumped about that. And we got some X-Maxx ripping around footage too. So we got lots of stuff going on, so let's get right into it. This is all you, big shooter.
All right, so I started the build of the Tamiya Mf-01x for Kevin. So right here, I've got a front half, and I've also got a back half.
So I hope you videoed the building of
Yeah,
that.
I have a nice time lapse we're going to show you guys too.
Okay, so this was a pivotal part in the build, right?
Oh yes. So this is the part of the build where it really chooses your wheelbase. So you get this parts tree. Now you're going to have 3 different pieces. So for this guy, we're actually going to be using this long piece and the short piece because we're building the long wheelbase. So you can put these in different combinations for 3 different wheelbase options.
That's kind of cool.
Yeah.
So like long, medium,
Well,
short.
it's a long, medium, short, I believe.
Oh,
Yeah.
well, that's pretty neat.
Yeah, the long one's pretty long, so it's actually going to be right about there.
Was your Jimny the same length?
No, mine was the short.
Huh.
Yeah.
Okay. Fair enough. So like this build.
It's going to handle more like a 1/10 on-road car or something like that.
Yeah. How many cars are on this chassis? Do you know?
5 or 6, I'd say.
Okay, that's pretty
And
impressive.
that's, I think, currently. They've had like, I think 15 or so.
That's not
been
bad.
on the chassis. And all they really do is change the wheelbase and throw a different body on it, which makes Tamiya really versatile for having different bodies.
I feel like somebody else, company-wise, may have took a little bit of a hint from that, like mini Revos and summits,
Yeah, and the summits
mini
and all
rallies,
those,
and
yeah.
the mini slashes, and then so on and so on and so on.
remake.
Yeah, but hey, it's a different story for a different day.
Exactly.
So you said you have some time lapse footage.
I do.
So let's
Take
get
a
right
look
into
at
it. It's a UDR sandwich. So now that mine's fixed, as you can see, Chris has somebody to go drive with.
Finally.
So it's supposed to be nice this weekend, and we're
Yeah.
supposed to get a little bit more snow here in the next couple days. So Chris and I are going to be ripping the UDRs now. The UDR sisters, twins, whatever you want to call them. It's going to be awesome. So make sure you catch the future footage of that.
Yeah.
But in the meantime, just to tie you over, Chris was out
Yes.
today at River Landing, and he was jumping stairs and drifting and doing a bunch of sweet stuff.
Mhm.
So he has some footage of that. So check it out.
Nice. Nice. This is like nice little additive on there. And the crowd go wild. I wonder if we can drive it like this. Technically, if I'm going this way, you're going this way. My wheels are going to propel your wheels forward.
So is it double the horsepower?
Double the horsepower.
So it's got like 6 horsepower.
It's got 8 wheel powers. But if you count the spares, that's 12.
I can't count that high. I had to
That's
take
a lot
my
of math. It took me a second.
had to take my shoes off there for a second.
He's getting sweaty.
Yeah.
What's next?
We got some X-Maxx footage,
Okay.
and then we're not gonna do anything with Evans because
You haven't done it yet.
no, I think this episode's gonna be more than
Oh, yeah.
ample amount
I'm
of
sure.
length. And I'm really waiting for a bearing kit for Evans. So, I didn't have an order. That order went in yesterday. So.
Ready?
We would like to thank our partner,
Triangle tortilla chip.
Triangle Tortilla Chips, with the ranch of cool flavors. Chris is choking. Maybe we have to sue this company, but
Okay, I'm alive.
yeah. Anyway, getting back into it. Chris is still dying. By the way, just FYI. Are you okay? Are you dead? Have a sip of water.
Inhale the triangle tortilla chip.
Cool Ranch Triangle Tortilla Chip.
Inhale just the cool, none of the ranch.
Well, there's your problem. Anyway, we got some X-Maxx footage as well from this past couple days. So, yeah, check it out.
we have this one now?
So that was episode 48.
Yes.
Ultra RC Hobbies Show.
Make sure to check out our Instagram.
Ultra RC Hobbies.
Check out our Snapchat.
Ultra RC Hobbies.
Check out our website.
www.ultrarchobbies.com.
Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this video.
Don't forget to share it with all your friends. Don't forget to follow him on Instagram, RC Deebs. He just started his own Facebook page too,
Yes.
RC Deebs. So he's kind of
I'm everywhere.
He's kind of Mr. Big
Look
Wheel
for me.
now. He's gonna ditch us as the show. It's
No,
just gonna be,
I'm not going anywhere.
it's just gonna be me, and you guys are gonna be like, "Yep, screw that guy." On RC
I would
Deebs and
still
RC Deebs
watch.
only. Tortilla chips. With the, I would still
I'll
watch.
still watch.
So 1 view.
Yeah, we're good.
Hey, my mom might watch.
If
this
you
too.
watch mine, I'll watch yours. But I don't think I'll be doing weekly shows or anything.
I
so that's
feel
the
like
thing, right?
I feel like that might lead to dark places,
It might.
and we're not gonna go there.
I'd be into that.
No comment. That is something we don't comment on right there, just like that.
Yeah, that's right.
But that was episode 48. Thank you for tuning in.
Yes.
And just one other thing, episode 50 is rolling around here.
Yeah.
We already have got some prizes. So if you like our Facebook page, you would have seen some of the cool prizes that we just got from some companies. So
yes.
make sure you tune into episode 50 because that's going to be a gooder. But yeah, thank you for tuning in, and we will catch you in the next one.